Hi guys, this is Rahul and you're welcome to gomahamaya.com. In this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to add users to your ads account in case your ads account is not yet suspended, or in case the account is suspended also. You, by watching this video, you will be able to add user to your Google Ads account. So first of all, I'm going to explain you how to add user when your account is not yet suspended. So for adding user, hover over admin and click on access and security, and there you'll find plus icon. So if you click on plus icon, there you'll find add email address. So I'm going to write down my company email address, rsahu4242 at the rate gmail.com, and there you should choose the expiry date. Let's assume if you are adding someone inside the account, so you must be giving them some duration, let's say 20 days, 30 days. If you don't want to add any expiry date, choose never. And then we have email only, billing, read only access, standard access, and the admin access. So you can choose any of the access. Admin access, he can do everything whatever you are doing when you are sharing the admin access. In the standard access, you can allow him to add, edit campaigns and modify campaigns on your behalf, but he cannot add users. That is standard. And read only access, he cannot do anything except the reading the account access. So I'll choose the standard access and I'll click on send notifications. Now you can see the user is pending. You'll see a mail like this. Once you click on accept invitation, this will send a access to rsahu4242 at the rate gmail.com. Let's move to the second step, where the account is suspended and you're not able to add users to your account. So go to this particular link. This link I'll drop you in the description box. Now choose your account first steps. You have to select the account, click on this and select the account, and then here you just write user access and then click on next, and here you have to choose user access issue and then click on next, again click on next, scroll down, click on next, and there you have email, click on that. If you are able to chat, click on chat and chat with the customer support. If you are not able to chat with it, just choose email and raise a support ticket to the Google. First of all, you have to write the end customer name of the company. So now I'll go to this ad account and go to billings, and then we'll go to setting, and inside setting I'll click on pay as detail. I'll choose a company name. I'll go to this option, I'll paste the name, then request a name. I'll write down my name. It's already choose the Google Ads account ID by default, but if you want to know the Google Ad account ID, you can choose from this area. And then are you the admin of the requesting ad account? Choose yes, because only I already shown you only admin can add or remove user from the account. So choose the admin, then select the turn around the time of the business days, add user. What email address would you like to add? So here you have to write rsahu4242 or whatever the email ID you want to add. I wrote the email ID, and then you choose the access, admin access, and then choose authorize, fill the form. I want to add, right there I want to add in account ID as admin. So we are telling Google that we want to add rsahu4242 at the rate gmail.com in the account ID days as admin, and you must have admin to add user. Then click on submit. After you submit, you'll receive a mail from the Google by saying please authorize us. You need to do a copy paste of this particular email, and I'll show you how to send. They'll send you email like this, and here you have to reply, hi, on the behalf of the company I agree grant admins access to Rahul Fire dig at the rate gmail.com on the account ID is this. This is the template that I already shown you how to add in this, almost same, and they are sending you same email template which you have to send. Once you send them, wait for 1 or 2 days, then the user will be added. Not by default, they'll send you a link. This link you have to open in the browser or send this email to that guy. Once you open that link in the browser, it will automatically add by default. So I hope you find this video useful. If you did, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more further updates. Thank you.